Hey, namaste, beautiful goddess. It's Yogini Kala. Today, I will be sharing with you another one of the 20 ways to open, heal, and activate your root chakra. The most powerful way to activate, heal, and unblock your root chakra is for you to create the sound in this body, in your own body, the sounds LAM. Feel it vibrating through the body and focused at the root chakra. So that's what we'll be working on. Like I like to say, they didn't have television, they didn't have the internet, they had nothing to do. These were the yogis. They were just off practicing these psycho-spiritual techniques, using sound that the ancients in the Indus Valley, the Vedic seers, thousands and thousands and thousands of years ago, intuited and were given by the divine to activate the root chakra. Okay? I also want to warn you, nothing bad is going to happen, but these videos that are like sleep and meditate are kind of bogus, people. The best, yes, they may help you feel more relaxed, and of course, if it's a drone, it's going to put you to sleep, or, you know, it's a certain frequency. If you can meditate, and specifically meditate using this Bija mantra, that is the best and most powerful way if you're really serious about this practice. Namaste and enjoy. Leave a comment below. Have you tried it? And yes or no, have you tried this practice before? Thank you. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Stay blessed. I'm going to switch over to beautiful imagery, and you want to set up so that you can meditate. And so become aware now of the lower part of your body after taking some deep belly breaths, expanding on the inhale. Releasing on the exhale. Nice, deep, long breaths. And then settle into a natural breath without having to change anything at all. Let your breath just be normal and natural. As you begin to concentrate gently, the breath will become quieter. So now focus the attention a little bit more on the base of the spine, the tailbone. And for women, you may feel it more internally at the cervix. So simply sensing, intuiting where you most feel sensation at the very bottom of the body. Letting that awareness become more clear, we'll begin. You can chant silently, softly, or more loudly. If you chant silently, the mind may wander off, so I invite you to adjust during the meditation from vocalizing to quiet, whatever you need. LAM. 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 LAM.
Goddess Group Coaching is starting very soon. Click the link below and you'll join my tribe and you'll be notified of the lowest price and the deadlines to be part of the group coaching program and work with me in a small, intimate, supportive environment.
Watch my video introduction to the root chakra, and I'll put a link right here and again below, and it explains all the correspondences and what the root chakra governs if you are not sure about that, and why this practice can be helpful. So watch that video to understand that.